Well, ladies and gentlemen, this S&P, not S&P, I'm sorry, NASDAQ 100, and today is the 24th. As you can see, the NASDAQ has been inching higher, and we expect this market to go higher unless something calamitous happen. And if it does, then we expect this market to test this level. In my opinion, this market is highly extended, so I'll be waiting for a pullback so that there's be some run on the upstairs. But for now, I will stay off from this market until I see some pullback, because it is just way too high. It is highly overextended, overbought, and as you can see, the market is trying. The bears are trying to restore this market. So if we can get a downward push like this, that would be a good opportunity to buy. Okay, happy trading, and hope this helps. I'll see you.